Yamaha off-road motorcycles come with quarter-turn fasteners on the airbox to take it on and off. This is a great, quick way to disconnect the airbox and replace your filter, but there are some drawbacks to it. Some riders are having them connect on their knee braces and pull out. When they do lose a fastener, they find them very expensive to replace. At Bolt Motorcycle Hardware, we have the Dzus Eliminator kit. This will change the quarter-turn fasteners back to screw-type fasteners similar to the 2014 models and eliminate the expense of replacing these and have the reliability of a full-threaded fastener holding your airbox. The new hardware you'll receive is ready to go onto the motorcycle with no modification. It includes the threaded nut to replace the quarter-turn nut. It includes 3 fasteners and metal bushings for the airbox plastic. It also includes 2 rubber grommets for the front pins on the airbox. The new hardware makes it much easier to align the plastic airbox cover. It will also stay put until you're ready to service your filter again.